Hello everyone, I am Shraddha Lakshmi from first year MCA Department of IT at Kannur University. Today I am going to present the topic Universal Turing Machine and Linear Bounded Automata. These are important concepts in theory of computation and help us understand how computational systems work. In theory of computation, machines are used as mathematical models to solve problems. A Turing machine is one of the most powerful computational models. Today, we will discuss two important concepts: the universal Turing machine, which can simulate other machines, and linear bounded automata, which are restricted form of Turing machines. A Turing machine was introduced by Alan Turing. It contains an infinite tape, a tape head that can read and write symbols, and a set of states. The machine processes symbols according to transition rules and is used to recognize languages and solve computational problems. Universal Turing Machine. A Universal Turing Machine or UTM is a special type of Turing machine. Instead of solving only one problem, it can simulate any other Turing machine. It takes the description of another machine and its input as data, then performs the same computation. This idea becomes the foundation of modern computers. Now, let us discuss the working of UTM. The Universal Turing Machine works in 4 steps. First, it receives the encoded description of another Turing machine and the input string. Then it reads and interprets the encoded instructions. After that, it simulates the behavior of that machine step by step. Finally, it gives the same accept or reject result as the original machine. Some important features of the Universal Turing Machine are its flexibility and ability to execute multiple algorithms. It reads programs as data, which is similar to how modern computers store program in memory. Because of this, the UTM is considered the theoretical basis of stored program computers. The Universal Turing Machine has many applications in computer science. It forms the basis of modern computer architecture, compiler and interpreter design, and algorithm simulation. It is also widely used in artificial intelligence research and computational theory. Now let us move to linear bounded automata or LBA. An LBA is a restricted form of Turing machine. Unlike a normal Turing machine, its tap size is limited according to the input length. It is mainly used to recognize context-sensitive languages. The structure of an LBA includes a finite control unit, a tape with boundary markers, and a read or write head. The tap space is limited, so the machine cannot move outside the allowed region. This restriction makes it less powerful than a normal Turing machine. In a linear bounded automaton, the input is first placed on the tap. The machine processes the symbols while staying within the limited tap space. Based on the transition rules, it either accepts or rejects the input string. Features of LBA. An LBA has finite but flexible memory. It is more powerful than finite automata because it can modify symbols on the tap. However, it is less powerful than unrestricted Turing machines. LBAs are mainly useful for recognizing context-sensitive grammars. Linear bounded automata are used in compiler design, parsing context-sensitive languages, natural language processing, and formal language analysis. The restricted memory makes them useful for solving bounded computational problems. This table compares universal Turing machines and linear bounded automata. A UTM has unlimited tap and can simulate all Turing machines, while and LBA has limited tab space. UTM is more powerful and general purpose, whereas LBA is designed mainly for context-sensitive language recognition. The universal Turing machine is highly flexible and can simulate any algorithm, but it may require unlimited memory. On the other hand, an LBA uses memory efficiently and works well for bounded problems, but it cannot solve all problems that a general Turing machine can solve. To conclude, the universal Turing machine is the theoretical foundation of modern computers, while linear bounded automata are restricted computational models used mainly for context-sensitive languages. Both concepts are important for understanding the power and limitations of computation. Thank you.